My story is that I've been following Dr. Joe for a number of years now. This is my fourth event, and there was a course here at the event that we were to do. And I got in early on Sunday because I was helping volunteer, and the course was challenging. And partway through the course, I started crying, and what I found out about myself was that my whole life, I had a real awakening. My whole life I have never trusted my body. And during the process of the course, that thought all came out to me. And there were teams down there cheering me on, and Dr. Joe was there with encouragement, and I was able to go through that process of seeing that through my whole life, I've never trusted my body, had every childhood illness. I wet the bed till I was 12. Then I had 5 C-sections and different surgeries, and I fall and replacement knee, but I could see that through this event, I got the knowledge that I never trusted this physical form, my body. The body and I were not friends, and I didn't trust it. I didn't trust it to walk. I didn't trust it to support me. So through this event, I now have a different outlook and perspective about this body that I'm in, and I'm learning to be very grateful for it. So the body and I are building a new relationship. So I wanted to share that. And also, I'm 75.